Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, I've been down Deep Creek Lake, Maryland all week. Had friends and family down. Had a really good time. But today's my last day. I gotta go back to Pittsburgh today. And I gotta get this place cleaned up. But I was able to get one evening of fishing in while I was down here. I was busy entertaining all week and spending time with the family, so one evening's better than nothing, I guess. But while we were down here this 4th of July week, we did some pretty cool things. One of which was we were at the Honey Honey on Saturday, and the band Velveeta was playing, and they knew, the drummer knows my son, and he knows he plays drums, and he asked them to play a song with them, which was really cool, and I'll show that video. Another thing that we did was we had an awesome fireworks display down here, so it was a good week, and I will show all that right now. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. It's Friday, July 9th, and it's Friday evening. I'm going to try trolling again. So let's see how I do. Alright guys, again. Here's what I'm using. Showing a double jointed shad wrap. Alright, away we go. Way back there. I get it way back, about 150 yards at least. And I'm currently in 17.5 feet of water. As you can see, I had problems with what holds my fish finder there. So it's right down between my legs. "17 feet. All right, right here. Let's go. 17 feet. That's the ticket. 17. Guys, I apologize if this video doesn't turn out real good. I'm still learning to record from my head. All right, guys, I got something good on here. I was trolling. Let me grab my net. There it is. Mr. Pike. It's a pike. He's hanging on by a thread right now. Oh, I got him. Let me grab my grips. Oh, my grips, they're underneath me. There they are. Sir, calm down, sir. Oh. There you go. There it is. Mr. Pike. Nothing huge, but hang out here for a second. Oh, there he goes. I think I just hit weeds. Yeah, that happens. It happens. Get out of there. I came in a little too close. I'm gonna come back through here in about 2 feet deeper. Having just enough rain to scare the boats off. And just enough rain to keep me on the water. 17 feet of water here. Oh, fish on. Got fish on. Oh, it's another good one. Got another good fish on, guys. Another pike, maybe. Looking at another pike. I really hope I'm recording from my head here. Really hope so. Let's see, what do we got? What do we got? What do we got here? Come on, show yourself. Another pike. Didn't surface, so it's not a bass. Let's see. Oh, I'm wrong. It is a bass. No, it's a walleye. It's a walleye. Hanging on by a thread. There it is. There it is. I should have grabbed my rips for him. Oh man, he's a good one. Tore his mouth up. He's a keeper for sure, and I'm gonna keep this one. I'm gonna eat him up tonight. Check out this video of my son playing drums with Velveeta. It was a great time.
Unbelievably fun Saturday afternoon. Here's the scoop. So we've been playing music for quite a long time. And this young gentleman behind us has been seeing us for a couple of years. His name is Talon. Talon is currently 14 years old. He's going to play the drums better than any of you out there.
He's looking at you, Bones.
That includes this guy. So, you know, when you're 14, what you do is you sit in and you just, you play the Van Halen.
Knock it off. Oh, it never gets me down. You like it so, baby. I've seen it turn so around. And I know, woo, baby, just how you feel. You got to roll with the punches, get to roll feel. Okay, you see me standing here, I got my back against the record machine. I ain't the worst that you see. Okay, you see what I mean? Oh, you might as well jump, jump. Oh, fuck yeah. Go ahead, jump. Go ahead and jump, jump. Go ahead, jump. How you feeling? Might as well jump. Now go ahead and jump. Go ahead, jump. Jump.
Well, that was the coolest thing that's happened tonight.
Yeah. That song isn't easy. He kicked ass. Kick ass.
That's Talon. He's 14 years old. Fist bump, Talon, right here behind you, brother. Talon, right here behind you. Fist bump.
You don't like me.
Yeah. He's talking drums.
Alright guys, I got one keeper walleye. That's all I'll be keeping tonight. Anything else I'll release. I just keep what I can eat the day of. I bled them out. Or at least I thought I bled them out. I still only got those 2 fish. And the wind is starting to kick up a little bit and it's starting to rain a little bit more, so I want to get one more. Well guys, I'm calling it quits. It's starting to rain now. It's starting to get dark. I still got my line in the water, so there's hope for one more. But, whoop. Who was that? Come back. That's a wrap on Deep Creek Lake. Alright guys, here's the one fish that I caught. It is measuring at about around 16 inches. I thought it was actually a little bit bigger than that. I was thinking 17, but it's 16. So I'm gonna do, it's nice and fat. Good fillets here. Dexter knife. It's a good knife. Needs sharpened a little bit, but nice fat fish. Flip it. First time I'm filleting a fish on video. There's that. Oop. I'm having trouble seeing. Here we go. Lay number one. Grab the cheek while I'm over here. Here's the cheek, little guy, little cheek. The other fillet out. Right down the ribs. The other fillet. The other cheek out. Right off. Did real good there. Alright, last thing I do is call the wings. That's that. Guys, I just got out of the rain, filleted the fish. And now I'm gonna cook. All right, so what am I gonna do here? I got some Cajun, some paprika, some garlic salt. Start with the garlic salt, paprika, Cajun seasoning, one, two, three. All right, the pan's heating up. Put a little bit of olive oil. A little bit of lemon. A little garlic in there. Fillet number one. Fillet number two. Here's the final product. I had a little bit of leftover macaroni shells, some peel and eat shrimp, and some walleye. So I'm gonna give this a whirl. Delicious as expected. I had a great week down here with family and friends. It was really fun. My son got to play drums at the Honey. Got a little bit of fishing in. We had an awesome fireworks display. So it was just nice spending time with good friends and my family. So hopefully you guys did the same. Hopefully you had a happy 4th of July, and I'll have some good videos in the near future, some out-of-state videos, so stay tuned for those. Thank you guys so much for watching, liking, subscribing, and see you in the next video. Thanks.
Run!